I want to talk about how you can use online challenges to help you grow your business. I'm going to take you through a 5-step method on how you can create an online challenge that will help you build your list, get paid, and actually upsell your clients into other offers that you have. So let's take a deep dive inside. The first thing is to know your goal. Is your goal for this challenge going to be a list builder? Is it going to serve you to build your list? Are you short of people on your list? You're at 100 and you need to get to 200. Is that your goal? And you're going to use the challenge to help you reach that goal? Then that would be one thing you want to establish. The second thing might be that you want this challenge to be a leeway to a higher offer. If that's the case, you need to think about that. I want to do this challenge so that it will lead them into my next paid offer. The third thing could be that you want to use it just as is. It is another stream of income in your coaching business, and you're going to offer this as a paid challenge to help your clients get unstuck with whatever they are stuck with. The fifth option could be that what you're going to do is that you're going to use this challenge as a paid offer that will lead them into another higher end offer. You want to make the decision on what that one goal is going to be. And it's always easier to decide on one goal than trying to come up with multiple goals. Number two is going to be to plan the content. No matter how many days you want to do this, content is the key. What I like to recommend to the club members and my clients is that you want to at least stay under 7 days or less. Anything over 7 days is just too much for people to consume. They tend to drop off after about 7 days anyway. So anything less than that, a 3-day challenge, 5-day challenge, or a 7-day challenge are going to be the sweet spot to help keep your clients engaged in the content and continue to implement so that they can get unstuck with whatever they're stuck with. I understand why content might get you hung up because it's a lot of days. Even if it's 7 days, that's a lot of content to come up with. Inside of Coaching Business Simplified, every Done For You bundle has a 7-day challenge. Inside the 7-day challenge, I provide all the content that you need so that you can create your challenge. And because this is one of the biggest hangups, I provide all the written content for you for every single day. It is divided day 1 through 7. If you want to just run a 3-day challenge, you can easily pull out 3 days worth of content to actually run your challenge. If it's a 5-day challenge, the same way, or a 7-day challenge. You can buy this particular challenge right now on my shop, and I provide all the links below. If you're interested in the club, you can get this challenge and you can instantly start to run your challenge because all the content is done. Now, once you have the content, the next thing is going to be the delivery method. How do you plan to deliver it? There's so many different ways that you can deliver this challenge. Now, the easiest way is to do an email challenge. You can also run this as video content. You can also run it inside a private Facebook group. You can do a video series. You can do an audio series. You can do a private podcast. You can do a Zoom call. All of these are different delivery methods of how you can run your challenge. And it's all up to you. You need to decide on the easiest method for you and in your time span. Step number 4 is going to be to decide on what's the next step. You want to offer them the next level up for them because once you solve that one thing that they are stuck on and you help them get unstuck, they're going to want more from you. And so you want to be ready with the next step. What I love about the Done For You 7-day challenge is that the last 2 pieces of content that come inside of the 7-day challenge will naturally lead a person to the next level. You don't even have to try to come up with it. The content is already provided inside the Done For You content. So all you have to do is either read it, record it, or copy and paste it because the next step is really important when you're trying to build and grow your coaching business. The last step is enroll the members. Now, this is something that most of us don't talk about a lot. We talk about the content, we talk about what the delivery method is, but we don't talk about how to really get them in there. And that's when you want to start to think about how do you sign people up? How do you get people excited to sign up? What I like to do is to share the content maybe 10 to 15 days before the challenge actually starts. I like to get people hyped up, to get them excited, and I get them already enrolled, and then I let them know what is to come. So you have to plan the marketing ahead of time. What are you going to plan on your social media? You got to have some type of funnel blueprint. All of those things are really important to achieve the goal that you want. Whatever your goal is, you definitely want to follow a plan, a social media plan, and also a funnel blueprint to enroll people into your program easy. That is how you create an online challenge to grow your coaching business. If you have any questions or need any assistance on how to make this happen for your coaching business, please just reach out to me, reply to this video. I'm here to help you to grow your coaching business the simplest way possible. Have an awesome and blessed day, and I'll be talking to you later. Peace out.